In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void a check from a prior year in QuickBooks. To get started, open QuickBooks and look over to the left-hand navigation menu. From there, click on Reports. This is where you can access the reporting tools that make it easier to find older transactions, especially when you need to work with checks from a previous year. Once you're in the Reports section, go to the search bar and type in Check Detail. When the report appears, select it to open. After that, give QuickBooks a moment to run the report. Depending on how much data is in the file, this may take a few seconds, so just wait until everything fully loads before moving on. When the report is open, use the sorting and filtering tools at the top to help narrow down the results and display checks from prior years. This step is important because it allows you to quickly locate the specific transaction you need, instead of scrolling through a long list of more recent checks. Take a moment here to confirm you're looking at the correct date range and the correct check. Once you find the check you want to void from a prior year, click on it to open the transaction details. This will take you into the individual check so you can review it before making any changes. It's always a good idea to double-check that you've opened the right check, since voiding a transaction affects your records. After you've confirmed it's the correct one, look toward the bottom of the screen and click More. A small menu will appear. From that menu, select Void. QuickBooks will then ask you to confirm the action. Go ahead and confirm, and that's it. The check will be voided. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that voiding a prior year check can impact past financial records, so it's smart to review the transaction carefully before finalizing it. If you're working in a company file with an accountant or bookkeeper, you may also want to make sure this change fits with your reporting needs before proceeding. But in terms of the actual steps inside QuickBooks, that's all you need to do. You go to Reports, search for the Check Detail report, let it load, sort to find the prior year check, open the check, choose More, click Void, and confirm the action. That's all.